Usually a lot of people on this corner, but not today. Usually they're doing some kind of business, selling goods or whatever. So today's pretty quiet. So tents are still along this area here. So Columbia, I'm gonna stop off here for a little snack. They serve hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza. So I'm gonna try out their food right here. Gonna check out this place behind me for a little food. So this is the start of my food tour here on the Downtown Eastside. So this is my slice of pizza. It's $2.99 for this slice of pizza. It's actually more expensive here down in the Downtown Eastside than in some of the other pizza places, even downtown. So it's a pretty good slice of pizza here from that corner store. It has some kind of, I think it's ranch dressing or some kind of sauce with the cheese. Just plain cheese for $2.99. Excellent pizza here in the Downtown Eastside. So I'm right down here on East Hastings Street, early evening. So this is the Carnegie Library. So it's been here for a long time.
Hey, where's the party? And am I invited? No, hold on now.
And beef and broccoli. So I was going to try the chicken here at the Prime Time Chicken, but instead I ordered the Chinese food. So it's a combination plate with 2 toppings on fried rice for $10.75, which is a comparable price to other places in Vancouver. So let's give this a try. So you have a nice portion here with sweet and sour pork. And then you have the broccoli with the beef, nice sized pieces of beef here. So you got fried rice underneath. So let's give this a try. Don't put your chopstick in this. It reminds people of a graveyard, you know, tombstone. So in Chinese custom, don't do that. So you put your chopsticks flat like this. So that's just a little lesson in Chinese custom. So we're just gonna give this a try. So this is the sweet and sour pork. The pork was pretty tender. It's the Carnegie Library across the street. It used to be the old city hall, I think, for Vancouver. So I'll try the broccoli here. Broccoli is pretty tender. Just the right amount of sauce. So they're actually setting up a fire right across the street here in front of a store. This is how they keep warm. So there's danger of people setting buildings on fire. Pretty good quality when you consider this is the most poor area in Canada. They still charge a reasonable price. You still get reasonably good food in this Downtown Eastside. I put $4 in this machine here, so the machine doesn't work, and then also the credit card doesn't receive my credit card for machine. So this is a case of where the city of Vancouver ripped me off for the parking. I'm at the Prime Time Chicken and Chinese food takeout here. I tried their fried chicken a few years ago. It was really good. So I'm gonna go inside and try it out again. So I'm gonna try their fried chicken here. So I was here many years ago. It was really good fried chicken.
I'm just gonna clean this out here.
Yeah, they have really good fried chicken here. I tried it many years ago. I get a thigh.
One thigh?
Yeah, one thigh, yeah. The Chinese food here yesterday. So it's really good Chinese food here. So a good variety of takeout food. I was here maybe 7 years ago.
No, over 10 years.
You've been here for over 10 years?
No, I'm not been here.
Oh, okay. So I was here maybe 7 years ago.
No, over 10 years here.
You've been over here 10 years?
No, I'm not me. But
Oh, the
here,
restaurant.
over
Okay,
10
so within the last 10 years, I've been here. And it was really good fried chicken. So I'm going to give it a try again. Thank you. You get a doorman today.
Thank you so
so
Yeah,
much.
no problem.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Take care. So I just got a thigh here, so I'm gonna give their chicken a try. I was here yesterday, but I wanted to make sure I tried the chicken. But anyway, here's a review for this piece of fried chicken. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, look at this fried chicken. Ooh, nice big piece of fried chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that piece of fried chicken. $3.99. I think it was $3.95. It's a nice big piece of fried chicken. So it's a thigh. Now I haven't had this chicken here for a long time. So within the last 10 years, probably around 7 years ago or so. So let's give this a try. That's a tasty piece of fried chicken. So I would say this piece of chicken is as big or bigger than Church's fried chicken. It's nicely done. Not as crispy as the Church's fried chicken, but very good. It's very similar to a Church's fried chicken, but bigger piece. Probably a little more expensive for the same piece, for the thigh. There was a commotion here right on this corner. Because some younger guy robbed the older guy. So a bunch of people surrounded them. And basically, it was a lot of yelling here for a little while. So I didn't capture that on video. I think I'm going to go into this Vietnamese restaurant. It's just coming ahead here. See if there's any parking up front. Park on the side here. Park on the side. I want to be parked right near the front here.